would sit here at this beautiful machine today. Let me show you. This is a Singer model 112W115, which is over here. This is what I've been looking for. However, there is no model 112W115. Why? Not sure if this is fax or not, which I do believe a little bit is. So obviously this is a 1940 Singer sewing machine, and please do correct me if I'm wrong, but apparently the Singer company at some point in time had a huge fire that lost a lot of pertinent information pertaining to the machines. So therefore they've had to rely on people probably having it, putting it online, so on and so forth. So this here I got from Singer online, and I'll leave that in the description below. If you have a Singer older model, check that out. I got this, the motor was seized. Not seized, it was just stuck or whatever it be. And like I said, I had no directions on this and had to figure it out myself, and I did. Within a 4-hour period, got this beautiful thing running, oiled it, and now I'm just playing with the tension. It seems to be sewing good, right? So I did the upper thread in black and then the bobbin in white. So just to kind of, so people can see. My problem right now is the tension on the bobbin. And if you look here, I just sewn this just to get a different fabric feel, and this is what it's doing. I'm not sure if you can see that, but no, you can't have that. So it looks really good, and this is more of a, this is an indoor-outdoor material, but you know, patio furniture covering, so it's not really heavy. It's lighter than, say, this umbrella black canvas. Looks good on here. Let me just look at it a little bit better. Yep, perfectly stitched. I feel like the bobbin can get a little looser. And I think if I can figure that out, this machine's ready to produce. Because that's, after all, why I got it. This is a double needle. I like the older machines. I don't really have a lot. Obviously, this is my second one. Sorry, everybody. So, like I said, moving on. I got this model here, handbook for this model, which is one model older. It's got to be the same, right? Looks the same. Looks the same. So I'm just going to kind of read through this, see if I can figure out the tension situation for the bobbin, lower tension. If you know, please let me know.